Set 1. Basic places. In, on, under. Where is the cat? It is in the box. Where is the dog? It is under the desk. Where is the ball? It is on the table. Where is the hat? It is on the bed. Where is the frog? It is in the pond. Set 2. School and classroom supplies. On and in. Where is your book? It is on my desk. Where is your pen? It is in my bag. Where is the ruler? It is in my pencil case. Where is the paper? It is on the floor. Where is the clock? It is on the wall. Set 3. Next to and beside. Where is the chair? It is next to the desk. Where is the boy? He is beside the teacher. Where is the lamp? It is next to the bed. Where is the car? It is beside the house. Where is the apple? It is next to the cup. Set 4. Behind and in front of. Where is the monkey? It is behind the tree. Where is the girl? She is in front of the door. Where is the rabbit? It is behind the bush. Where is the bus? It is in front of the school. Where is the bear? It is behind the rock. Set 5. Finding furniture. Where is the chair? It is next to the desk. Where is the bed? It is in the bedroom. Where is the table? It is on the rug. Where is the desk? It is under the window. Where is the sofa? It is behind the door. Set 6. Nature and animals. In, on, under. Where is the bird? It is in the tree. Where is the bug? It is on the leaf. Where is the worm? It is under the dirt. Where is the fish? It is in the lake. Where is the nest? It is on the branch. Set 7. Food and kitchen items. Where is the milk? It is in the glass. Where is the spoon? It is next to the plate. Where is the pizza? It is on the tray. Where is the napkin? It is on your lap. Where is the juice? It is in the fridge. Set 8. People and locations. Where is Mom? She is in the kitchen. Where is Dad? He is in the garden. Where is my brother? He is behind the curtain. Where is the teacher? She is in front of the class. Where are the kids? They are on the playground. Set 9. Toys and playtime. Where is the teddy? It is in the box. Where is the train? It is on the track. Where is the puzzle? It is under the table. Where is the doll? It is next to the box. Where is the robot? It is behind the door. Set 10. Mixed review. All prepositions. Where is the key? It is in my pocket. Where is the mouse? It is under the chair. Where are the stars? They are in the sky. Where is the bike? It is in the front of the house. Where are we now? We are in English class. Thank you. See you in the next lesson.